Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to use proper function to capitalize names in Excel. When you think about Excel functions, you probably think about performing calculations with numbers. While it's true that you can use functions to do lot of handy things with numbers in Excel, some functions can help you format text too. One good example is the proper function, which capitalizes the first letter of every word in a cell. If you have cells containing proper nouns like names or titles, you can use the proper function to make sure everything is capitalized correctly. The proper function works in Google Sheets too. For example, let's say your company wants to give someone a lifetime achievement award. You have asked your co-workers to enter their nominations for the award. Unfortunately, you can see that not everyone has been careful to capitalize the first and the last name. So the spreadsheet looks messy. You could go through the columns and correct the name manually, but it will take a lot of time. So we are going to use the proper function to do so. In this example, the name of the nominees are in column A. So we'll put our formula in column B. In the cell B1, I will type a formula that tells Excel to capitalize the names in the cell A1. So I will write equal proper bracket start and then select the cell A1 and close this bracket. Once you have done with the formula, we just need to press the enter key and the cell B1 will display the name from A1 with the correct capitalization, that is James Jones. Now all we have to do is to click and drag the fill handle. And it will display all the names in the list with the correct capitalization. Great! Now all the names of the award nominees are correctly capitalized in the spreadsheet. There is no problem. Though we still have the original uncapitalized name in the column A, we cannot delete column A because our formula in the B refers to the A. Instead, we can copy the values from the B into a new column by using the paste value feature in Excel. To do this, I will select the cells from B1 to B16 and then I will click the copy command. Now I have to right click the cell where I want to paste these values, followed by selecting the values button from the menu that appears. Now I will put my cursor to the column heading so that it changes to the double arrow sign. Once it changes, I will double click to auto correct the width of the cells. Now I can bold these cells. I will delete the original names. Select these names from the column D and again cut them and insert them in column A. There we have it, a nice, neat spreadsheet with all names of the nominees correctly capitalized. Now we have a column that displays all the names correctly, but that doesn't depend on a formula or a cell reference. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Microsoft Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.